Hello. If you want to be a successful uh, in life, read this in Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. This book of the law shall not depart out of thy mouth, but thou shalt meditate therein day and night, that thou mayest observe to do according to all that is written in it, for then you shall make thy way prosperous, and then you shall have good success.